Welcome back to Daily Weekly Builds, and it's time for another speed build. Today I'm going to be building this LEGO Star Wars 75263 Microfighter Resistance Y-Wing Series 7 of the Microfighters. It was a gift I got from a friend for a birthday, and it's just been in my LEGO sets kind of collection at this point, which you can see some behind me. Some are, if I'm looking at it right now, some of them are for investment, some of them I just haven't built yet, so this was one of them. Yeah, I mean, I already began to open it and I thought, do you know what? Let's make a speed build. So I'm going to stop talking and get building. So guys, there you have it. Here it is. If I can focus there. Yeah, all done. I mean, it's a nice build, but I'm not sure if I'll be keeping it. I think I might be taking it apart for parts. There's some nice parts here. I don't know, it was fun, but Star Wars just isn't really my thing. Let me know in the comments. Did you enjoy this video? It's a new thing. We haven't really done very many of these before, so I'm just learning as we go, trying to figure it all out. But if you did enjoy it, smash that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.